Hello everyone, welcome back to another crafty decor party. In today's video, I'm over the moon excited to share with you 6 DIY Dollar Tree Christmas decor crafts. This is episode 11 in my huge I Love Christmas series. Definitely catch up on the other episodes in the I Love Christmas series playlist down below, as well as my I Love Fall series. I did over 100 Dollar Tree DIYs for you guys. I love to share with you guys how you can make your home boutique gorgeous on a teeny tiny budget. So without further ado, plug in your glue guns, get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to crafting. For the first Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to take 2 of these pumpkin signs and then one of those Dollar Tree summertime pineapple signs, and I'm going to chalk paint them white on both sides. Now what I want to do is create a snowman. For the top, if you guys don't have the pineapple sign, you can always use one of those smaller pumpkin signs. I did buy quite a bit of fall decor this year, so I needed to repurpose and reuse some of these signs. Now I'm taking some E6000 glue, and after I let the chalk paint dry, I'm just adding some E6000 glue and then a layer of hot glue on top and in and around that to just really give these little pumpkins a really good hold. So I glued the first pumpkin over the second pumpkin, and then I'm adding my last sign on the top. And then it did have a little bit of damage to one of the pumpkins, so I'm just going over it with a very heavy layer of Mod Podge and then sprinkling it with some Epsom salt, which you guys can find at the Dollar Tree. And also I used some glitter on top of that to give it that little extra sparkle and shine. Then I just cut some eyes and a nose and a mouth out of some scrap ribbon that I had. I'm using one of those Dollar Tree scarves that they have out right now. You guys choose whatever color that you love, but I am using this black and white buffalo check plaid. And then I made a little pom-pom with some yarn that I'm gluing to his hat. Now I did create another snow person out of a Dollar Tree Halloween sign a couple videos back, but I really felt like I just needed 2 so they could kind of go next to each other. So I'm just repurposing also this Dollar Tree burlap wreath. I kind of cut it into the size of a hand and then added some sticks over the top of it. And here he is next to his little sweetheart over there. I thought they came out absolutely adorable. The eyes and the nose on my second one were a little bit wonky, but you guys, crafting is not about perfection. I try to tell myself that all the time. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, I want to take this pillow cover. It was from burlapfabric.com. I will leave a link down below as well as a coupon code. It's just a canvas blank pillowcase. I wanted to jazz it up with this Dollar Tree scarf. So what I did was I cut 2 pieces of the Dollar Tree scarf and I left the fringe on the end, and then I'm just taking some hot glue and I'm going to hot glue the scarf to the front of the pillow. So the canvas pillow is a little bit heavy duty, so it took the hot glue really well. Also, you guys could use this idea to recover any pillow. I have done this so many times. If you guys have been following my channel, the Dollar Tree scarves are so great to repurpose and reuse in this way. So I'm just continue to hot glue all the way around the entire canvas pillow. And I just did one side. That way, when winter is over, I can flip it over and still have my cute little canvas pillow if I want to use it for just more of a neutral decor. Also, if you guys need some buffalo check plaid fabric, I know Walmart is also carrying this pattern as well as Hobby Lobby. So I'm just going ahead and stuffing the little pillow stuffing back in the center, and voila, here it is. Okay, so here it is blank, and then here it is if you just go ahead and tuck the fringe over to the side, and then if you flip the fringe back forward. I thought it came out absolutely beautiful. You guys can also grab pillows from the thrift store and repurpose them and reuse them. Maybe you have a pillow that's seen better days. These would be great for outdoor decor as well if you wanted to. You would definitely want to Scotch guard them though if you're going to use them for outdoor. And the cute little Santa Claus pillow, you guys, I found at the thrift store for $2. I was so excited. So for the next DIY, I'm actually using some free paint stir sticks that I got at Walmart. And then I'm just going to go ahead and chalk paint them. You could also use craft paint, but I do love this Waverly chalk paint. It dries super fast, you guys, which is really great for DIYs. I've also made homemade chalk paint before too, which is really easy. Okay, so now I'm just taking 2 scrap pieces of board. These were actually little slats from the thrift store, and now that my paint has dried on my paint sticks and on my little slats here, I am just going to go ahead and use some E6000 glue and some hot glue, and I'm just going to glue them right on to these boards. And what I want to create is an adorable little kind of mini blanket ladder. So I am going to tell you I wouldn't hang like a super heavy blanket on this, but I did go ahead and add 5 rungs to it, I believe, and I'm just using the E6000 glue and hot glue and then measuring in between each rung. That way it can be mostly even, but I have seen these ladders. I think they're so adorable, and how easy if you guys just go to your hardware store. Sometimes they'll have free scrap lumber, or even if you have something laying around, you could even make the longer part with more paint sticks if you wanted to. But here's how it came out. I put a lightweight blanket on it, and then I laid one of those scarves over it. I think it came out absolutely perfect, and you guys, this cost me honestly next to nothing. So for the next DIY, my daughter's actually going to help me. She is so good at crafting, I can't even tell you. We're going to take some of those extra paint sticks that we had that we got from Walmart for free when I bought paint, and we're just going to make a holiday star. So I went ahead and E6000 and hot glued them, and then I'm just going to go ahead and add some Mod Podge to the front of my star because I want to add a really just nice layer of glitter over that. It was a bit hard to see the glitter in this shot, but I did go ahead and Mod Podge it really well and then just sprinkle a bunch of white iridescent glitter. You can get this at Walmart. You can get it even in a bigger package if you're doing a lot of glittering, which I recommend if you guys love glitter for the holidays. Now you can see the glitter, and how absolutely gorgeous is this? These are so fun to make. I have seen them for sale at craft fairs before. You could paint them whatever colors that you love for your Christmas time decor. And if you go ahead and buy paint, you can always get paint sticks for free. I know you can buy them in a large lot as well. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, I want to take one of these beautiful Dollar Tree ornaments, and I am going to E6000 glue and add a little bit of hot glue with this beautiful jewel. Now, Dazzle.com did send me some wonderful jewels. Thank you so much. It was such a blessing. I'm going to leave a coupon code for you guys down below. They sell packs of jewels for really at a largely discounted price. They're end up being about $1.50 each for the jewels. And then I just took some Dollar Tree ribbon at the top and tied a little bow. And how gorgeous is this ornament, especially if you're doing some beautiful holiday decor or you wanted to give a friend or a family member a keepsake ornament. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, I want to take one of those cute little Dollar Tree signs and just jazz it up. So I just believe in the magic of Christmas, and then I went ahead and just hot glued some of that Dollar Tree greenery to the top. And then I'm using this Merry Christmas ribbon from Dollar Tree, and then there was like kind of a faux looking quilted ribbon from Dollar Tree. I'm going to add some more hot glue to the top of this, and then Dollar Tree's selling those sparkling pick branches. I just took a tiny top off of one of the red picks, and I'm going to go ahead and add that to the top as well. You also want to make sure that your ends are really nice on your ribbon, and I was crafting backwards. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I couldn't see that little piece of string dangling down. So there we go. Now, how adorable is this? I put this in this Christmas tree, so you guys could use this almost as an ornament. It's one of the smaller Dollar Tree signs, so just think about that. They also make great gifts. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, I want to take and make this super adorable stocking. So I'm just taking this canvas stocking and I'm going to lay it on top of one of those Dollar Tree buffalo check plaid scarves. These are the fleece scarves. I've also made these with the infinity scarves as well. So I just used a gray Sharpie actually to trace around
the little stocking. And I did share one of these with you guys in another DIY video, but I didn't have the Sharpie, so I thought I would share this same kind of process again. And then you're just going to take and you're going to line it up again and then trace it out again. And that does make it really easy. These are fun to do with kiddos. Just be sure that you help them with the hot glue and the scissors. So then I just went ahead and hot glued the two stockings together. This is easy peasy. You do want to try to go along the edge as close to the end of the stocking as possible to hopefully keep the integrity of the actual stocking. And then you can just go ahead and inside it out, or you could also trim it out if you didn't want to inside it out with some beautiful lace. And then I'm just going to take the end of the scarf and I'm going to add that to the top. These actually make a pretty good size stocking. Now, because we're hot gluing this, I wouldn't recommend, filling it full of candies and oranges if you're actually going to use it. You may want to reinforce it by stitching it on the sides, but this is going to be used in my home for decor purposes, so I think it's fine to go ahead and hot glue it. And here's how it turns out. I just used some of that Dollar Tree red ribbon and I tied a little bow to the top. I added it to my cute little ladder, and there we have it. Voila, we have this beautiful Christmas setting with these very inexpensive, fairly easy DIYs that you guys can do with some paint and some glitter, some imagination, creativity, and some Dollar Tree goodies. So as always, I always ask for you guys' feedback. Comment and let me know, what is your favorite DIY in this episode and which one will you be attempting to recreate? And always too, if you guys have any questions for me, definitely let me know. I've also had a lot of questions on the little wood chip tree that I've been sharing that's kind of in the background of some of these DIYs. That was a thrift store find, but if any of you guys have any ideas how to recreate that, definitely let me know. So I did cook banana bread a couple of DIYs back. Definitely go check that out. And you guys, I am just so in love with homemade soup right now because it's chilly where I am. So just a quick recap too on some of the episodes. On the first episode of this series, I put up my Christmas tree, and then I shared with you guys a Dollar Tree ornament craft haul, and then we DIY'd 6 Dollar Tree ornaments out of beach balls and other good fun stuff. I've also shared with you more with the Dollar Tree Snowman and the cute little Dollar Tree trees that I've been sharing with you guys how to do. We did an elf tree, a candy cane tree, and then I shared with you this beautiful glam Christmas. I did a centerpiece in a cloud with my wonderful friend Ramona at home, and then here is today's DIY.
Okay, you guys, so here is my thrift store outfit of the day. I found this fun little plaid top. It is super warm. And then I did get this on sale at Target last season. It's really large. It's an infinity scarf and it almost is like having a blanket. I just paired it with these cute jeans and then my little garage sale boots. I've had these for a couple of years, and you guys, I really do need to probably find a new pair. You can see the toes are getting a little grungy. And then I found these really pretty handmade earrings at the thrift store. It looked like somebody had maybe had a jewelry business, but they're just, okay, there you guys can see them a little bit better. They're just kind of some drop tassel earrings. I do get most of my tassel earrings at TJ Maxx. They last really long. I know Target has them as well. So there you guys have it, my thrift store outfit of the day. Mwah! So thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous crafty decor party. Again, this is episode 11 of my huge I Love Christmas series. To catch up on any of the other episodes, definitely click on the huge I Love Christmas playlist down below. I did over 100 Christmas DIYs for last year, and we are definitely rolling with the DIYs for this year. Also, if you love fall decor, I have over 100 Dollar Tree fall decor DIYs as well as decorating, Halloween. You guys definitely check out that playlist down below in my huge I Love Fall playlist. And if you guys are new, I would love to have you subscribe and be part of our fun and fabulous little crafty community. I love to share with you guys how you can make your homes boutique gorgeous on a teeny tiny budget. You guys can have a beautiful home without breaking the bank. And for everybody that comes back and likes and shares and comments, you guys are amazing. Thank you for blessing my heart. I feel like crafting is so good for your soul, and I just want to encourage you guys to keep up the good work, crafting along, making beautiful treasures for your home and beautiful memories with your kids and grandkids. Thank you for sharing all of this with me. So thank you guys again. I cannot wait for the next video. We have so many fun projects coming up. So I wish you guys a beautiful, blessed day. Until the next video, we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.